Toyota is developing the third-generation GR86. We know that the current model, the Toyota 86, is still being developed by Subaru. But news circulated from the Japanese factory that the development of the Toyota 86 was carried out by the Toyota factory without the help of engineers from Subaru. Here's what we know about this information. Let's begin. In a new, unverified report from Japan, the popular sports cars Toyota 86 and Subaru BRZ will be self-developed by Toyota for the first time, without the Subaru BRZ twins. We also show illustrations of the all-new third-generation Toyota 86. Please see renderings of the upcoming Toyota 86. The development system will change for the next model, which will be developed with Toyota techniques. The current plan is to combine the 1.6-liter three-cylinder turbo engine from the GR Yaris or GR Corolla with a two-clutch, one-motor hybrid system. Expected specifications: maximum output and maximum torque, 272 horsepower and maximum system output, 320-330 horsepower, with a 6-speed manual transmission and available matic as well. Of course, the drive system inherits rear-wheel drive. It was informed that the platform would adopt the Lexus IS with a short wheelbase. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.